Recently, we've received a lot of questions regarding using headphones with hearing aids, so we decided to make a video and answer them all at once. Before we begin, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more useful tips like this. Alright, here's a list of checkpoints you should consider when picking a pair of headphones to use with your hearing aids. To avoid accidentally pushing your hearing aids out of place and causing squealing sounds, you'll want headphones that come with large and roomy ear cups, large enough to cover your ears without touching or pressing on them. For example, our Aria series. They were specifically engineered to be worn by hearing aid users. If you happen to have larger ears or bulky hearing aids, and if it's impossible to go around them, you would want to go with headphones that are light and soft, so it doesn't irritate your ears even after long hours of pressing against the hearing aids. Our Audition series are only half the weight of our competitors and come with extremely soft leather ear pads for all-day comfort. Active noise cancellation technology can effectively reduce the low-frequency noise around you, so you can hear the audio content through your headphones better. Again, our Aria series all come with advanced ANC technology. Especially the Aria Me, it even lets you do a hearing test and customize the audio to your hearing conditions. It's perfect for hearing-impaired patients. Got more questions? Feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. You may also email us at support@avantree.com. We'll do our best to help. Thanks for watching.